Struggling with hole callouts on your engineering drawings? Don't. In Onshape, generating hole callouts is fast and completely automated. When you add a hole callout in your Onshape drawings, it pulls feature metadata directly from your Part Studio, instantly displaying thread specs, counterbores, countersinks, and depth symbols with zero manual entry. Further to this, if you're working with imported CAD geometry, there's still no problem. Onshape handles these holes seamlessly too, but first you want to apply a custom feature like tag hole in the Part Studio prior to creating the drawing. By doing so, you can attach hole intelligence to non-native geometry, helping ensure your drawing callouts display accurate data every time. Finally, customization is simple. Simply double-click any callout to override text, adjust the display order, tweak tap drill depths, or add custom notes and quantity multipliers. You get total control over your drawings. Try it out in your next drawing, and subscribe for more Onshape tech tips.